guys, I'm Today. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be the continuation of our last video where I showed you how to install WordPress locally on your system using Flywheel. So right now what we're going to be doing today is installing a WordPress theme and some other plugins in order to be able to build up our website and make it more beautiful. Before we start this video, please do support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel so that whenever I upload any video, it will be easier for you to get notifications. Right now, let's dive into the video. So right now, the first thing we are going to be doing today is starting up Flywheel. So you click on Start Site. So once you start the site, so you click on Admin. So now this is your WordPress dashboard. You go back and click on View Site. And this is what our site looks like. So this is what we are going to be working on. We are going to be making this more beautiful than this. So right now we are going to be installing a theme called Astra. So what you do, you go to Appearance and you click on Themes. So now these are the default themes that came with the WordPress. So what we're going to do, you click on Add New. So now on the right hand side, we're going to search for Astra. So this is the theme we are going to be using. This theme will help us to build our website easily, and once we install this theme, it also has a pre-installed pages that we can make use of. All we just need to do is to customize the pages to what we like. So what we'll do, you click on Install. Once you are done installing, you click on Activate. So now our theme has been activated. So let's go back to our former page. This is what our former page looks like. So I'm going to open, after installing the theme, I'm going to open the website in another tab, and let's see the difference. You can now see the difference between these two. This is what we have before. You can see this one is not even well arranged. Installing Astra now gave us this view, and we're still going to get something much more better than this as we go on. So let's just close the former tab that we have. So now back to our dashboard. So we're going to be installing a plugin called Starter Template. So you click on, once you click on Plugin, you click on Add New. So now we are at the plugin page. So we are going to search for Starter Template. So now you can see this is starter template, and recently now it's over 400,000. It has over 400,000 active users, and it's compatible with this present WordPress version. So now what we are going to do is install. So once you are done installing, you activate. So now once you are done activating, as you can see, this is the only plugin we have for now under our plugin page. So right now we need to customize this plugin. So now the next thing we're going to be doing, you click on C library. So now under the library, we need to select a page builder. These are the list of page builder that came with this starter template plugin. So, but the best of them now is Elementor. That is what I normally use, and it is easier to use than some other plugins. So we are going to be choosing Elementor. So now the good news about this Astra theme is that it's compatible with this starter template. So under the starter template, we have a lot of pages, already built pages that we can choose from. As you can see, there are many pages that we can choose from. So let's just look for a good one. So what we'll do is click on this drop down arrow and you go down to select free. So we're going to be choosing a free template. So, and preferably let's go with okay, let's say a business template. So these are some of the business templates we have. So let's just look for a good one that we can make good use of. Okay, let's go with this Italian restaurant. So this is what it looks like, and on this particular template, we have home, we have menu, we have about us, and we have contact page. So these are the pages that are involved in this template. So, and you have two options here. Is either you import the complete template, or you import one of them by clicking on them and clicking on one of them and clicking on import home template. But here, what we're going to be doing, we're going to import all the templates that are, all the pages that are listed here. So you just click on import complete site. So now the next thing to do is, since we don't have any previous website imported, we don't need to click on the delete previous imported site. So just go directly and click on import. You wait for it to import. Now we have successfully imported our website. So let's click on visit website to see what it looks like. And this is our new website. You can see colorful and beautiful. So now you can see, let's go to the menu. Let's click on menu and see. can see how beautiful it is, the menu page. You can see how beautiful the menu page is. Let's go to the About Us. This is what the About Us page looks like. You can see it's about the restaurant. Still loading up. And we can also check out the contact page. Let's see. This is the contact page. You can see book a table, and this is their phone number. See there, this is their location. So you can see how the turnaround has happened just with the theme Astra and the plugin, the starter template that we used, and the Elementor plugin. We were able to bring out this beautiful website. And what we are going to be doing is we are going to be working on this website as we go on in our next video tutorial. But before then, let me show you some things you need to know. Now you close this. So now let's go to pages. Click on all pages. As you can see, we are on these are the pages that we have on our website: About Us, Contact, Home, Menu. And this sample page and this privacy policy came with the installed WordPress. So this one is a default installation. As you can see, these other ones are here. We have the home, the menu, About Us, and Contact. And one other thing I would like to show you is the appearance. We are going to check appearance. Let's go to the menus. And here under the menu, you can see we have the home also, we have the menu, we have About Us, we have Contact. And here you can decide to even change the location of this button on your website. Let's say, for instance, you want the menu to come first. Okay, let's say you want the Contact to come before About Us. On the menu tab, you can do it. Okay, let's just save changes. Save menu. So now once we save the menu, we'll go back to the website and click on the reload button. So now let's reload our page. You can see where the About Us is. You see where the contact is. The contact will now move here. So let's reload the page. Watch and see. You can see now contact is now here. This is the About Us. So you can do so many things with this thing, and right now we need to put an end to this video, and in our next video I'm going to be showing you how you can add more menu, how you can edit this menu, and many more that you need to know. I'm going to show you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done that already. Just go down below the video, click on subscribe, and click on the notification button so that you'll be able to get the notification when next I put up my video.